Chapter 13. After school, Fiona's rolling me across campus in the direction of the courtyard when she says, "I just realized something." "What's that?" "Guess who wasn't at your party today?" Who?" "Meryl." I shift my backpack in my lap. "Did I miss her?" "No." I twist a glance at Fiona. "Forget about her, would you?" Fiona grunts. "Hard to do." "Look, I know you hate her, but I'm starting to think you're obsessing about her because you like him." She stops wheeling and comes around to look me right in the eyes. "What kind of friend do you think I am? You're the one who likes him. The whole thing bugs me because he should be with someone like you, not her." "Fiona, please, stop this." But she doesn't. We thought he was smart. Principled. Remember his speech when he was running for class president? You said it was the most amazing thing you'd ever heard, and it was. She starts pushing me again. How could he let himself be snowed by Meryl? She's gorgeous? She grunts again. Guys are so shallow. Look, it goes both ways. Most girls don't like Gavin because of some speech, or because of his OP Ed pieces in the school paper, or because he started a townwide warmth drive. They like him because he's cute. Well, see, you're different, and I'm sorry. I know I've been kind of annoying about him. It just makes me mad to see her with him when she's such a princess and you've gone through so much. I twist around again. Well, keep your cool because here they come. Gavin and Meryl are quite a distance across the courtyard, but they're on the same walkway we're on, and they're definitely closing in. Meryl is linked to Gavin in her classic way, both of her arms hugging one of his as she looks up adoringly at him. It's strange, but it doesn't really bother me. I guess I've got bigger issues now than clinging to an old crush. Still, what I really want to do is steer clear of them. Go in a different direction. Go four-wheeling across the grass. I just don't want to have to deal with him or her. But as I'm suggesting this to Fiona, Gavin notices us. He stops for an instant, then hurries toward us, leaving Meryl clinging to air. "Jessica!" he calls. I hate being a charity case, I grumble. He smiles as he approaches. "I've been watching for you all day. I thought you'd be in the courtyard at lunch." Fiona's right about his chin scruff. It gives him an edge. A very attractive edge. As if he needed it. Meryl's already scurried over, and the first thing she does is latch onto Gavin again. "Hi, Jessie," she says. "So good to see you." I can feel myself bristle. Like I need her phony friendliness. Fiona moves up beside me and keeps her focus on Gavin. "The track team had a party for her in Kiro's room. The whole team was there." She eyes Meryl. "Well, almost the whole team." Gavin looks at Meryl, who releases him with one hand so she can hold back a gasp of regret. "Oh, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot." "Easy to do, I suppose," Fiona says, turning a sarcastic eye toward the big, bold "Welcome Back" banner in the Greek theater. "Well, we've got to get moving. Places to go, things to do." "Wow," I gasp when we're out of earshot. "You're kind of brutal." "I have never known anyone so phony and self-absorbed," she mutters. "Guys can be so dumb." We get to the car, and I'm suddenly tired. "You made it," she says when we're both belted in. "How are you feeling?" I laugh. I'm feeling sorry for you that you have to go to track practice. You were up all night putting together this amazing day for me, and now you have to go do what? Wind sprints? She cranks the motor. It's actually just a team meeting, and Kiro knows I'm going to be late. Just a team meeting? But then I realize why. Are the Glenwood relays tomorrow? She nods. As we drive along, I think about Gavin being with Meryl, and I'm surprised that it really doesn't bother me. Maybe it's the contrast between subjects. Gavin versus the Glenwood relays. Right after the last invitational meet, someone died. Someone else lost her leg. Besides, if Meryl's the kind of girl Gavin likes, then maybe I gave him too much credit. These thoughts swirl inside me for a little while, and I let them stew. But in the end, the conclusion doesn't change, and I'm not just consoling myself or fooling myself into believing I don't want him because my chances of having him have gone from slim to none. It's really just simple. I'm over Gavin Vance.